Today we will learn two Korean vowels that sound very similar. A and A. I'll teach you the easiest way to tell them apart using simple English sounds. Let's begin. To make the vowel A, open your mouth a little wide and say A, like the A in apple or cat. Repeat after me. A, A, A. For examples, 모래, 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 배, 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 새, 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 새. The writing order is draw a long vertical line downward, add a short horizontal line to the right, add another short horizontal line below it. The next is similar A. To make the vowel A, open your mouth slightly less and say A, like the E in bad or red. Repeat after me. A, A, A. For examples, K, 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 K. 그네, 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 그네. 제비, 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 제비. Draw a short horizontal line from left to right. Draw a vertical line downward from the right end. And one more short horizontal line to the right. Listen to the different pronunciation. A, 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 A. Great job! Please check the practice sheet linked in the comments. You can download it and use it to practice writing and pronunciation.